How to use corner pinning in Camtasia. First go to File, Import Media and select your desired file. Once you have imported your files, start by dragging the image to track 1 and video to track 2 in the timeline. Next adjust the image so that it aligns with the endpoint of the video on track 2. Then locate the corner pinning icon at the top of the Camtasia interface. Click on it to activate the corner pinning feature. With corner pinning activated, manipulate the video by clicking and adjusting the corners to fit your desired position.